What's up, guys? My name's Griff. I'm a streamer here at KK Sports Cards, and this is my Streamer Series episode. I'm going with the Tampa Bay Rays. I've always watched them growing up. They're my favorite team. I go to a bunch of games. I study them. I study their prospects. That's why I love them. Definitely Bowman Draft Sapphire 2023. First year with autos. I brought a lot of value to this. With one auto, you get 3 colors. Prospects are great. My favorite prospect's definitely Trey Morgan. He doesn't have autos, but it's definitely my favorite prospect. My first sports card, I'll definitely have to go with a Griffey rookie. My uncle gave it to me. It was a big, it was a Christmas gift for me, actually. I didn't know what to do with it, but it got me into cards. It definitely, he has the same name as me, so it was cool. When I grew up, I played baseball. I played a little bit of soccer. I was a big fan of soccer, but I played baseball for, 10 years. I played catcher and shortstop, so.
Were you not good?
That was all right. It's definitely the interaction with the people. Obviously pulling the big cards is fun and all, but
Oh, fuck yeah!
it's the interaction definitely with the people. I'm gonna go back on my other answer. It's Ken Griffey Jr. We share the same name. Well, he took my name, but I'll let him have it. Guys, thanks for watching my Streamer Series episode. Catch me on KK Sports Cards PM with Griff.